What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Cardano ADA. Currently we're sitting at 259. We dropped right down to the level of support we dropped in. We're down about 2.16% on the day. We are sitting at a market cap of 83.12 a billion. 24-hour volume is 6.76 billion. Just finished the last bit of my juice here, so might get a little bit chappy, but let's hop into it, guys. If you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, my favorite app for investing. You receive $25 in crypto, and there's incredible benefits, including their Visa card. All right, guys. So we talked about this relief bounce yesterday. I said, look, guys, we're having a bullish divergence. The price is dropping. The RSI is rising. We're most likely going to see a relief bounce, and that's exactly what happened. And I said to keep an eye on this level, 271 as a level of resistance. We came up, we broke it. We started to head up to 280. I actually entered a trade. I entered a trade at 2.72 because I thought, oh, maybe we're going to head up to 284. And then the bear stepped in, so I had my stop loss at my entry price, so I didn't lose anything. But definitely a risky trade, in my opinion. I was talking about it with the guys in the Discord. Guys, sign up to the Discord. We have incredible members posting chart patterns. Ignore my face here. This is just my upload. But we have our chart channel where members and myself are posting chart patterns. We have rooms for all our popular coins. ADA. We have we have HOT, we have Polygon, we have XRP, we have even Safe Moon, guys, Polygon. So do check it out, over 1,000 members strong. All right, guys, let's pop into the analysis here, back into the analysis. So what happened? We came up, we weren't able to hold the support. See how the volume tampered off? That's a good sign. If you're in a long trade, get out of your trade. See that the volume just completely sold off. The bear stepped in and pushed down the price, and we came right down to the level of support we dropped in at 253, which was your previous swing low. So if you come to your charts, you're looking for your support and resistance, target your previous swing high, previous swing low as your levels of support. All right, guys, so we've come down to 253. Now, currently we are underneath the golden ratio. If we pull from our Fibonacci from our swing low up to our swing high, we fell below the golden ratio. I told you guys it's crucial that we hold that support, because if we fall through it and we're not able to get back above it and back test it as support here, we're going to come back down to where we started at about $2.38. You can also come all the way down to the 1.272, which is at about 225. If we continue to hit it as resistance, we lose $2.53. Your next target is basically down here at 238. You may find a little bit of support here at about 249. This previous swing low, this little bit of support right here, but your target is down here at about 238. So do keep an eye on that, guys. We are underneath the golden ratio, as I've been saying here. We're currently holding the support of the 200 EMA, this red line here. Actually, let's thicken it up a bit. I don't know why it's so thin. Let's open it up. Give me my, okay. Oh, how absolutely humiliating. Okay, let's thicken it. Oh, yeah. Nice. So you can see here we are holding the support of the 200, but the bulls are looking weak, guys. Check out all this bearish volume, and when the bulls step in, the volume is quite weak. Now we may see a relief bounce as we are quite low on the RSI. So your levels of resistance are right around 264, and then 271 would be a major level if we do see a little bit of relief bounce. But if we come up, we get rejected by the EMAs, we get rejected by resistance, and we roll over, we see that continuation. So the bulls would really have to step up right now, because we have lost the golden ratio here. But I'm going to jump into viewbase.com. Guys, go check out viewbase.com to get incredible analytics for crypto, completely free, guys. And so just smash that like button for Jack's hooking you up. All right, guys, so if we come down here to ADA, you can see 44% on Binance. ADA USDT margin prep, top traders, the whales, are long. Only 44%, guys, which means that either 56% are currently looking to short the market, they're in shorts, or they've already taken profits and they're waiting for their next opportunity to go long. So this is a great, you come to Viewbase, you go to whale positions, and they have all your coins. They have Binance and they have Huobi. I don't use this exchange, but they have Binance, which is the #1 exchange by far. All right, guys. So let's pop back into the analysis. Let's actually jump into the 4-hour time frame here. All right, guys. So we're here on the 4-hour. We're currently holding the support of the 55 EMA. We haven't lost the support of the 55 since we started our juicy uptrend, but it looks like we may lose it as support just because we've fallen out of the golden ratio. And if we backtest it as resistance, then we can come back down here to about 240. Now, guys, if we were to lose this level of support here, there's not a lot of support in this area. You would target your previous swing high. So I'm just going to quickly drop it in here, and that's at about 224. All right, guys, that's your next level of support if we were to lose $2.40 as support. So let's hop over to the daily time frame. So we're here on the daily. So you can see here 240 over the next couple of days will allow the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candle. So if we do come down to that level of support, it's very healthy, guys. We're back testing our previous all-time high. So it would be healthy if we came down. We found support along the 20 EMA as we were overextended. We can see here we had a bearish divergence. We created a higher, we created a higher high, and we created a lower high on the RSI. It's starting to play out. All right, guys. So do keep an eye on $2.40 will give us a beautiful opportunity to bounce off the 20 EMA as support. So that's pretty much it for my little ADA update. Do sign up to Bybit, guys, so you can make money on the way up and the way down. Sign up for up to $1,600 in bonuses. Your levels of resistance 264, 271 if you see a relief bounce. But what can happen is we come up, we get rejected, we see the continuation to the downside. And then if we lose 253, we're below the golden ratio. High likelihood that we're going to come down to 238. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash that like button. Follow me on Instagram to keep up to date with my traveling, my personal life. Join the Discord. That's where I'm most active. You can follow me on Twitter, but I haven't posted in like weeks. So I haven't been super active on Twitter. So I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace. Much love. Take care.